Hi, my name is Dr. Jim Ave, and welcome to AES 6660, Special Topics, Seminar in Sports Performance and Training. In this presentation, I'm just going to provide an overview of the course and an overview of Module 1. So, just so you know, all modules in this course are 2 weeks in length, so we have 4 modules in this class. So to start, go to the Getting Started module and download the syllabus and the quick guide. That'll help you as we go along. So if you want to learn more about me, here's a picture of me. And if you click on that down arrow, you can watch my introduction where I talk about my background, my educational and professional background. And I've also provided this video on APA formatting help. This was made at the university I work at full-time, but there's still benefits to watching that. All right, so let's talk about Module 1. So we'll go into Module 1, and our topic is Current Trends in U Training. So we can look at the overview. So you're going to learn about the U training, and we're also going to start working on the main assignment in this course is which is writing a CAT or critical appraised topic assignment, and we'll talk about that more as we move along. So let's talk about the activities, and we'll go back to the reading and resources. So their activities is you have an introductory quiz due on Friday, similar to other introductory quizzes that you've done in the program. Module 1 assignment. So you're going to turn in your plagiarism course certification. You've probably done this, and I know you do it in AES 6050. So you can use the exact same plagiarism certificate, and that's due by Friday or day 7. Then in Module 1B, click on that. Remember, you have to hit the start attempt to see the directions for the assignment. So with this one, you're going to develop a PICO question for my approval. So in the reading resources, there's a video on how to write a PICO question. So your PICO question is going to be related to the field of exercise science. And you need to use one of these 2 PICO styles. In P or population, will I or intervention, or C, which is the comparison, result in improved outcome, or will intervention or comparison have a better or improved outcome in the population. So that's the acceptable format. If you don't write it in those formats, you need to include the P, the I, the C, and the O in your question. I'll tell you need to rewrite it, and I'll give you my approval or won't give you approval. This is also due on Friday of this week. Our next assignment in the 2 weeks of this module hit the wrong one. Gonna go to C. This is due by the end of the 2nd week. You're gonna make your own table like this. I don't have a template for you. You can make your own format, your own template table using this guide here. So you're going to write your PICO question here because I'm going to prove that, and you're going to have your timeline. You're just going to complete all this, what you're going to do here. So a pretty simple assignment for this. And then we have a discussion board in week 1. By Thursday, day 4, you're going to discuss how age impacts an integrated program design specifically for blah, blah, blah. You're going to read that. So you're going to use a minimum of 2 peer-reviewed journal articles And then by day 7 or Sunday, we're going to respond to at least 2 of your peers, and your responses should be a minimum of 1 fully developed paragraph. So that's our assignments for Module 1. Let's go back to, oops, hit the wrong button, reading and resources. So you have assigned reading here. You're going to read, you're going to watch or listen to this podcast, and you're going to read this journal article. Then you should look at this literature selection flowchart. But the big thing is these required videos here. You want to watch all these videos because they're going to be beneficial to writing our CAT assignment. Yeah, I think there's one other article here, so we're going to read this article. These articles here, this article in the podcast and this recommended reading and resources you'll use in that threaded discussion in Module 1. If you have any questions about everything, we want to go to the course cafe and post your questions there. So that's where you want to ask me questions. The other way to get in contact with me, the best way is probably through email. You can also text me. If you do text me, tell me your name and what class you're in, and then your question, and I'll get back to you. Typically, I'll get back to you within 24 hours, unless it's on a weekend. I'm not as active on a weekend, but either email or text me, and I'll do my best to help you understand this material. I've taught this class many times. I've helped students develop the CAT project many times, so I'm here to help you. And other thing that you should know is that with each of some of the other assignments, I'll provide you some templates. That'll come in week 2. Will show up with our module 2, with this course. Look forward to learning more about you in this course. So I look forward to getting to know you a little bit better.